In-depth comparison, iPhone 17 Pro versus Canon EOS ER80D. The iPhone 17 Pro, released on September 19th, 2025, represents Apple's latest flagship smartphone, blending cutting-edge computational photography with a versatile all-in-one device. In contrast, the Canon EOS 80D is a 2016 APS-C DSLR camera, praised above for its robust build and interchangeable lens system, but now considered dated in the era of mirrorless and smartphone advancements. This comparison focuses primarily on photography and videography capabilities, as those are the core strengths of both devices, while also touching on design, usability, and overall value. I'll break it down category by category using data from official specs and reviews before recommending the best choice. To ensure a fair evaluation, note that the iPhone 17 Pro's camera system is fixed, no lens swapping, relies heavily on software AI processing, and is integrated into a smartphone ecosystem. The EOS 80D, however, excels in manual control and lens flexibility, but requires separate lenses and accessories, adding cost and bulk. Verdict: the iPhone 17 Pro wins for everyday carry. It's a sleek, durable slab that's also your phone, computer, and entertainment device. The EOS 80D feels like a professional tool, but is cumbersome for casual shoots, though its tactile dials appeal to enthusiasts who prioritize ergonomics over convenience. Key insights: the EOS 80D's larger APS-C sensor provides inherently better depth of field control, shallower bokeh, and raw detail, ideal for prints or crops. However, the iPhone 17 Pro's 48-megapixel triple sensor setup, all upgraded to 48-megapixel for the first time, leverages computational photography for stunning results in most scenarios, often outperforming older DSLRs in dynamic range and low light thanks to sensor shift OIS and multi-frame stacking. In real-world tests, e.g., DxOMark scores the iPhone 17 Pro at but for a camera quality. The iPhone edges out in convenience and consistency, while the 80D shines in controlled manual environments. Verdict: EOS 80D for pure sensor superiority and creative flexibility. iPhone 17 Pro for good enough pro-level output without fuss. Key insights: the iPhone's fixed lenses cover 90% of everyday needs with seamless switching and AI enhancements like 8x tetraprism zoom, using a 56% larger sensor for sharper telephotos. Reviews highlight its edge in quick portraits and landscapes. The EOS 80D, however, unlocks Canon's vast lens library, over 200 options, allowing for specialized glass like a 50mm f1.4 for portraits or a 72-100mm f2.8 for wildlife. Unmatched versatility, but at extra cost, $200, $2,000 per lens. Verdict: EOS 80D dominates for pros needing customization. iPhone 17 Pro for all-in-one simplicity. Key insights: the iPhone's LiDAR and A19 Pro chip enable predictive AF that's DSLR-like in speed, per petapixel reviews, making it ideal for candids or vlogs. The 80D's 45-point system is battle-tested for action, but lacks the iPhone's AI smarts, feeling outdated against 2025 standards. Verdict: iPhone 17 Pro for modern, effortless AF. EOS 80D for reliable stills in bursts. Key insights: the iPhone 17 Pro is a video powerhouse, 4K 120 FPS slow-mo and ProRes RAW rival cinema cams, with stabilization that feels like a gimbal in tests. The 80D's 1080p Max is a relic by 2025 standards, limiting it to basic clips despite clean HDMI output. Verdict: iPhone 17 Pro crushes video. EOS 80D is adequate for simple shoots. Key insights: the iPhone's efficiency, A19 Pro chip, and larger capacity make it unbeatable for mixed use, while the 80D needs spares for long sessions. Verdict: iPhone 17 Pro for endurance, EOS 80D for modular swaps. Key insights: the iPhone's touchscreen and AI, e.g. photographic styles, center stage selfies, make it beginner-friendly yet pro-capable. The 80D's OVF and dials offer tactile joy, but its menu is clunky by modern standards. Verdict: iPhone 17 Pro for seamless integration, EOS 80D for hands-on control. Key insights: the iPhone is pricier up front, but replaces a phone plus camera. The 80D is a budget entry to DSLRs, but balloons with ecosystem costs. Which one is the best choice? It depends on your needs, but the iPhone 17 Pro is the best overall choice for 90% of users in 2025. Its computational magic delivers DSLR-beating results in a portable, multifunctional package. Stunning 48MP photos, cinematic 4K 1080p video, and instant editing/sharing without lugging gear. For casual photographers, travelers, or social creators, it's unbeatable. Reviews like Austin Mann's Dolomites test praise its telephoto clarity and low-light prowess as pro-level without the pro hassle. At $1,099, it also doubles as your daily driver, offering better value than piecing together a DSLR setup. However, if you're a dedicated enthusiast or pro, prioritizing raw image quality, lens creativity, and manual control, e.g. astrophotography, studio portraits, or wildlife, go for the Canon EOS 80D. Its APS-C sensor and EF mount ecosystem provide unmatched flexibility for under $1,000 used, ideal if you already own Canon glass. That said, it's showing its age, no 4K, slower AF. So consider upgrading to a modern mirrorless like the Canon EOS R10 for similar benefits. In summary, iPhone 17 Pro for modern, effortless excellence. EOS 80D for traditionalists on a budget. If photography is secondary to your lifestyle, the iPhone wins hands down.